Are you sick and tired of your happy mornings being destroyed by that watered down iced coffee? Me too. All that effort to have half hot, half cold coffee. Are you sick and tired of it tasting like donkey pee-pee? Bleh. Stay tuned for the solution.
Guys, today I am sharing with you the #1 secret to making the best iced coffee at home. And I'm just feeling so honored that I get to share this with you guys today. Because honestly, I've had my fair share of iced coffee fails, but I have found the one thing that has made consistent, delicious, amazing iced coffee. And today is your day. That you're gonna be able to step out of gross, watered down, half hot, half cold iced coffee and into the promised land of ice cold coffee. Are you ready for this?
Yeah!
Let's friggin' do it. Guys, this isn't sponsored. Should it be? Yes. Is it? No. But the thing is, this is the secret. And yeah, you might be getting mad because you're like, I don't want to buy something. But I'm telling you guys, you're gonna have to spend the $20-something on this device that will give you consistent, delicious iced coffee, and I think it's 100% worth it. What? Why are you interrupting me?
It's
what?
Not spending. It's an investment of a lifetime.
It truly is, because, over time, you're not going to go to Starbucks. You're going to make it at your own home, okay? And this is just going to save you money and live better Walmart, okay? Let's just go ahead and get into this. So this right here is the Hyper Chiller 2000, and it is from Amazon, okay? And this thing has elevated my coffee experience, so I'm going to show you how to make it. So first, just brew any type of coffee. I'm using an espresso. You can use a Keurig. You can use an instant coffee. You can use whatever the heck you want to do. So go ahead and brew your coffee. I'm going to make mine in my Nespresso. Come on.
Wait, how do we prep the Freezer 2000?
One is called the Hyper Chiller, and two, I can't really show them right now because it's frozen shut.
Oh, yeah?
But long story short, you open this up, you just fill water in it, you close it, and then you stick it in the fridge. But it comes in the instruction manual. It's very easy. You can figure it out. So like I said, I'm going to brew my coffee. I'm real fancy with it like that. So I'm brewing my coffee directly into the Hyper Chiller 2000. Is it called the 2000?
No.
It just feels better that way, honestly. So, like I said, it's gonna brew right into here. You can either go through the spout, or there's like a little lip right here where it can just flow in, so it's super easy and you're not going to miss. If you do, I don't know.
You gotta clean it up.
You gotta clean it up. Okay, here we go. Look at it go. It's going right into the Hyper Chiller 2000. Okay, back up here. So what I like to do during this time is get my coffee moments ready into here. So I like to get maybe 1 or 2 cubes of ice, not too much because I don't want that watered down thing, but either way it doesn't really water it down. So I'm gonna get 1 to 2 ice cubes just because I want it chilled ice. And then you're gonna put in your creamer or your milk because I just like to do that. So let me go ahead and do that. Don't look at me! Okay. Crap, I forgot the ice. Is everything okay? We're all good. Frick, too many. I said 2. Okay, here we go. This is fast, this is easy. You said you wanted the fastest and easiest, and this is it. Okay, so there's my milk. It looks about good. You can put some creamer in it. I don't really want to right now, but you can. And now the Hyper Chiller is about ready with the coffee into it. So what we're gonna do is, once it's finished, I'm gonna turn off my machine. My coffee is in the Hyper Chiller, and we're just gonna spin it like this in a slow little motion, circles. So typically, I could be working on this, I could be letting the dog out, I could be feeding him, and you're only doing this for about 30 seconds.
Sometimes I come in here, she's doing jumping jacks.
Okay, no. But, you just take your time with it. It's really easy. You just, you can do multiple things. This isn't an inconvenience. It's still fast. It's still easy. I'm still going to be out the door.
For how long?
I said 30 seconds.
It says 60 on the paperwork.
Well, I think it really depends on how much coffee, because this can hold like 2 cups of coffee or something, it says. So
okay.
That's probably why. But I only do 30 seconds. You could do longer. Sometimes I'll spin like this for 30 seconds, and then I'll just let it sit for like 30 more seconds. I don't know.
Either way, it's fast and easy.
It's really fast. Okay, so this is spinning. So what I like to do, this is optional. I like to get some Walden Farms syrups. So these are calorie-free, low sugar. I like to put in some chocolate syrup. Like I said, this is optional. Oh. There we go. And guys, 2 tablespoons, 0 calories.
What happens if you do 4 tablespoons?
I don't know.
It's 0 calories.
0 calories. So, okay. And then I'm just going to do a little bit more. And it's never 2 tablespoons. This is probably like 1 tablespoon. But that's really all you need. See, like I said, this is beyond 30 seconds, not just sitting in here. And it's just getting super, super cold, even though it's already cold. But now it's time, guys. We're going to dunk this baby in. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Beautiful. Oh, yeah. Are you serious?
What?
You're seriously so annoying. That's disgusting.
Buddy just pooed
No, it was you. Okay. Here it is, guys. In the cup. I'm going to add my straw, give it a nice little mix. Oh, yes. And then taste test. It's cold. It's iced. It's delicious. And you know what? Like I said, you can add your own creamers in here. You can do whatever you want to do to make it yours. This is just how I do it really simply. But all in all, we talked through this, but I can get this done realistically like 1.5 minutes. And that's just because like the brew time of the coffee. So it really is just up to you guys and how fast you make it. But this is what I found the easiest, the quickest, consistent thing. And so when I'm done with the hyper chiller, all you have to do is put water into it, swish it around, rinse it out. And it doesn't say you need to clean it every single time. So maybe every other time I clean it out. But you just swish it around, dump out the water until it's clear, and then you just stick it back in the freezer for the next use. Guys, that's it. It's quick. It's easy. It's simple. It's affordable. It's consistent. It's the Hyper Chiller 2000 iced coffee at home. Guys, why on earth is this not sponsored? Why? Hyper Chiller, sponsor me! Anyways, guys, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. The next video I have thinking of is making at home 100 calorie coffees. So if you think that's a great idea, let me know in the comments. Seriously, if you don't put it in the comments, I'm not gonna know if you want me to record it or not. And so, yeah. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like anything else about reviews, Christian lifestyle, yada, 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 that's what I do on this channel. So make sure you hit subscribe, you go to my channel, and see if you like anything else that I make, and me and my husband, what we do on our YouTube channel, okay? If you like it, like I said, subscribe and be a part of our YouTube channel family, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Thanks to My Chiller 2000, not only am I happy in the morning, but so is my wife, because I wake up so excited for the day. And thanks to My Chiller 4000, I have so much time in the morning, I can finally take my time on the toilet. And because My Chiller 10,000 is so fast and easy, I'm able to focus on my own hobbies. So coming from a real customer and not a paid actor, get yourself a My Chiller 20,000 and it'll change your life.